How's it going, everyone? And today I've just checked my actual Autorama order about the R5C, and it currently is in the processing of shipping, which is good news because I've been waiting to get my hands on this R5C so I can really do some in-depth tests for you guys that are even thinking about purchasing the R5C. I actually ordered mine on the day of launch, and then the actual minute that it went through, I actually ordered it, and so I'm so happy to hear that they're already processing, which means only one thing, that US orders are starting to ship in. And so with that being said, once I do get the camera here, then the next thing is to test it out, and test it out with comparison as to which other camera. Well, the one you're currently watching right now, which is my R6, and that camera definitely has a battery grip that is compatible with the R5C. So there will definitely be battery tests when it comes to it. That's one of the things that I keep hearing about that is playing a lot for the R5C. It's the amount of recording, depending on which mode you're in and how long that will last you. So that will be one of my first tests that I'm going to start doing. And if you want to see those results, go ahead and please like and subscribe on this video, and to get notified when my video of those results go live. And so not only that, we'll also test autofocus performance, as well as even a low light performance. So it will be very interesting to see how much of the process of the R5C when it comes to battery life will take on, depending on which modes, and along with a battery grip. So that's one of the things that I'm really curious about. And currently in my hand, I'm holding 2 of those batteries right now. So these are the LPE6NH. So I'm just gonna let you guys know this has just been a short video about that introduction, about getting excited of what I already saw, what I saw on my order process right now. So it was back ordered, now it says processing of shipment, so I'm very excited about that. Again, my name is Alex, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.